When I made my initial appointment to see Dr. Horn, I thought I was going to just get implants big enough to take care of the problem. And when he told me I needed to have a lift and a full lift, I was shocked. And I did not want to do it because I was scared of the scarring. I was scared of the sensitivity, loss of sensitivity. There were lots of things that worried me about having a lift. And it wound up being not a big deal at all. I think sometimes when you start up top and then you start moving lower and lower because you've got a really great looking boob sitting on top of a not so great looking stomach. I never thought I would have a tummy tuck, and once I did that, I realized that I did need one and wanted one. And that was 4 years later after I'd had my boobs done, and it was a much bigger decision than having that done. It's a bigger surgery. It's a bigger recovery time, especially when you have children. It's just a different ballgame. I think if you're going to decide to have surgery, I think it's a better idea for you to do it all at one time, knock it out all at once. I wish I'd done the mommy makeover together as opposed to separating them into 2 surgeries 4 years apart. The decision to have plastic surgery is a big decision, and there are times when people have to come back multiple times to feel that they're making the right decision. For me, it's generally, in my experience has been a consultation and then surgery scheduled. The tummy tuck and lipo probably took me a couple of days to really decide when I could do it, when was feasible, to kind of get all my ducks in a row to make it so that I could have it, because from the time that I had the initial consultation about it until surgery was less than a month. Dr. Horn's nurse, Summer, took excellent care of me while I was there. It was very comforting to know that I had a friend who was spending the night with me, and very comforting to my husband when he left after my surgery to know that I was going to be taken care of, that somebody would be there with me all night, and that I was looked after until he got there the next morning to pick me up.